buy now, pay later companies have had a rollercoaster ride since they rose to power during the early days of the pandemic. After quickly garnering public attention, BNPL firms came under the scanner for the lack of regulation seen in the sector. However, authorities were quick to respond to this lack of regulation and have been introducing reforms into the sector. Australia's new Financial Services Minister Stephen Jones stated at a recent conference that new protection laws would have to be implemented by 2023 to safeguard consumers. The drastic turn of events seen by the BNPL sector certainly makes it a unique part of the economy. The Australian Finance Industry Association recently reported that the BNPL sector contributed over $14 billion to Australian GDP in the 2021 financial year. New changes come as part of a larger movement towards more robust credit laws. Additionally, the changes have been introduced after a series of bad debts and overcrowding of credit markets was observed. Many have hailed the changes as a fresh beginning for the BNPL sector, making the environment more protected and secure for consumers and businesses. Now, since the BNPL sector operates mostly through online methods, slip-ups are likely to snowball into something serious. However, some companies also offer online methods of executing BNPL transactions. As consumers have the liberty to buy expensive products without actually paying for anything at the counter, there is a grave risk for suppliers. Though the sector has been around for quite some time now, it saw a peak in popularity during the pandemic. Job losses and delayed income forced many households to depend on the easy loan options presented by the BNPL sector. Essentially, BNPL companies offer consumers the option to pay for products later or in easy installments after buying them from the seller. Since no additional interest was charged on the purchases, BNPL services did not directly fall under the Consumer Credit Code. A new set of rules and restrictions is not the only challenge for the sector, as many big companies have also released their BNPL products. This means increased competition and a move towards a more closed environment might force small players in the field to exit the market. Some enhanced features have been introduced to the BNPL market, which includes performing credit checks on consumers before giving advances. However, these features are not mandatory. Additionally, there are no restrictions on how many services can be availed at any time. And this means a user can be availing BNPL services from multiple providers simultaneously. While this may seem incentivizing for some consumers, they're likely to accumulate huge debt, which lenders may not be able to notice. It's hoped that the new measures will ensure the sector moves onto its next booming phase in a secure manner. Now, if you like the information in this video, you can like, share and comment on it. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can press the bell icon for notifications for our latest videos. I'm Rachel for Kalkine Media.